name's Tommy Grice, and today I'm here with Brian. Brian, would you care to introduce yourself?
My name's Brian Holthouse. Work in manufacturing services. I'm a CNC programmer and process development technician.
What's a CNC programmer?
CNC programmer creates G-code programs that the machine tools run to make parts.
What type of education do you have?
Grew up around machine trades, but then I went to JVS, which is the Miami Valley Career Center now, and followed that up with some training at Sinclair and then hands-on experience.
How long have you been doing this trade?
Since I was about 14. I was fortunate my dad had some equipment in the garage, so I got an early age.
What got you interested in your type of work?
Just being able to create things from nothing. Being able to take a block and have a finished part, that's neat to me. So.
What type of parts are you designing or making programs for?
We basically make everything from the crankshaft forward. So in my role, I'm involved with all the parts, so a little bit of everything.
What's one piece of advice you'd give a student looking to go into the manufacturing field?
Don't be afraid to take something apart and figure out how it works, because if you can do that, you'll be successful.
Hi, I'm Maddie, and today I'm here with Craig. Craig, can you go ahead and introduce yourself?
My name is Craig Barhorst, manager of manufacturing here at Hartzell Propeller. I've been with the company a little over 20 years. Born and raised here in Piqua, and had an opportunity to join the company 20-some years ago, and it's been a great experience.
So what is your job title?
Manager of manufacturing.
So why would you say manufacturing is so important to you and your company?
Extremely important, both to me and the company. It is our lifeblood. It's great for the community right here in Piqua, Ohio. We make products that are used all around the world. We're on the cutting edge of technology, and in little old Piqua, Ohio, some great things come out of here on the cutting edge, and you can make a great career for yourself here.
What does a typical day look like for you?
Typical day, I'm not sure there is a typical day, but what I would say is we get started pretty early in the morning, around 6 o'clock, and challenge what I call the opportunities of the day, trying to make sure we're producing quality parts and shipping on time to our customers.
And is there anything you'd like to say to the community?
What I'd say to the community is that Hartzell is a big part of the community. The community means an awful lot to us, and really encourage young people to get in the manufacturing trade, go out and get some experience, whether that's in technical school or getting involved in manufacturing early. And there's many opportunities available right here.
Hello, my name is Aaron Mason, and I'm here with Derek. Derek, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name's Derek Michael Ajewski. Been at Hartzell now for 23 years. Pretty much been all over the manufacturing facility. Currently, I'm a foreman down at our composite facility.
What's your official job title?
Production foreman.
How were you able to work up from the beginning?
So one of the great things I think about Hartzell, and one of the things that drew me to Hartzell, I came here with virtually no manufacturing experience. Started out at really an entry-level position as a deburr operator, and have had opportunities galore. Moved up through machining, through operations, through management, and gotten to where I am today really just through hard work and lucky opportunities.
What's a typical day look like for you?
Figuring out the opportunities of the day, making sure that we are shipping parts on time. I think that is my key responsibility. Sending quality parts out the door to our customers on time.
What do you like about having Hartzell in Piqua?
I'm a lifelong Piqua guy, so again I take a lot of pride in being from Piqua. I know a lot of people around the town take a lot of pride in Hartzell and consider Hartzell to be a great place. Also great for me, I live 2 minutes away from my job, so that's pretty good for me.
Is there anything you'd like to add or tell the community?
No, I would just say, for young folks that want to get out there and get an opportunity, be willing to work hard, be willing to take the experiences they get, and people that work hard tend to succeed and have opportunities.
Hello, I'm Landon, and today I'm here with Heidi. Heidi, go ahead and introduce yourself.
I'm Heidi Hennessy. I work in the HR department. I've been with Hartzell for just under 13 years, and prior to Hartzell, I worked at Honda Manufacturing.
What does Hartzell specialize in?
Design and manufacturing of propellers and propeller systems.
What do you enjoy most about Hartzell being in Piqua?
It's really great having a manufacturing facility in a small community. Most of our employees come from the local community. They have great work ethic, they work hard, and gives us an opportunity to support the community back.
How have you seen this company grow since you've been here?
Well, it's grown quite a bit. So when I first started, we manufactured metal propellers, and we now have a composite facility that I think they had less than 10 people when I started, and now they have close to 45. We've also started a de-ice product line out at the airport, so a lot of new technology, a lot of new products.
And are you accepting applicants with minimal experience?
We do. We are willing to train the right person if they come in with the right attitude.
What's the least amount of experience you would hire somebody with?
We would hire someone right out of high school. If we were going to do that, we would want somebody that has pretty high mechanical aptitude, and then also just a great work ethic and attitude, willing to learn new things, work with their hands.
Does Hartzell provide tuition reimbursement or a chance to earn credits for classes?
We do. We have a tuition reimbursement program. We pay 50% of tuition.
Could you tell us a little bit about the pay and the benefit of working at Hartzell?
Pay is pretty competitive in the local market. If you're coming right out of high school with minimal experience, you could start in a trainee role anywhere from $15 to $20 an hour. Once you become a skilled machinist, you would be up in the $27 to $30 an hour. And then there's sort of the roles that are in between. Strong benefit program, so we have a health insurance, dental insurance, vision. We have 401k with a match and a quarterly contribution.
And if I were somebody looking to get into the manufacturing field, what steps should I take?
You would go to our website, hartzellprop.com, and look at About Us and Employment and fill out an application. And then it would come into our system for a review and possible interviews.
And what's one piece of advice you would give a young student looking to get into the manufacturing field?
Well, I'd start with when you complete your application to fill in all the spaces and pay attention to your detail coming in when you're first completing an application and filling out a resume. And then it's really about being willing to work hard, learn new things, being willing to roll up your sleeves and do whatever it takes to get the job done.
Hello, my name is Landon, and today I'm here with Jeff. Jeff, go ahead and tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name is Jeff Arnett. I've been here 27 years, working the blade line. I'm originally from Troy.
Now, Jeff, what's your job title?
Machinist.
What does a typical day look like for you?
Coming in, getting machines fired up, running parts, making sure we're running good parts, meeting the quota for the day, and just running parts is all we do.
What types of parts do you run?
I'm in the blade line. So I run the blade shanks, blade airfoil, all the parts, processes for the blade I run.
Where do you export your blades to?
All over the world.
How did you get into Hartzell and your trade?
I like running the machines and making parts, and then the opportunity come to start in the composite department. And that's where I started, and just making airplane propellers I thought was pretty cool, and just went from there.
And what really made you stay these past 27 years?
I like what I do. I like running machines. I like running propeller blades. And then you can go out in the field and see what you ran in operation. So it's kind of, you take a lot of pride in, hey, I made that. So.
What's one piece of advice you would give a student looking to get into the manufacturing field?
Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. You work hard, and you'll go far. You take a lot of pride in what you put out. If you put out good work, you'll succeed.